video is going to have a look at how to set up Posit Cloud to work through the other videos about fitting statistical models in R on this channel. So go to the Posit Cloud website, the link is in the description, and create yourself an account and then log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen like this and you need to create yourself a new project. So go to this big button here, click on it and select New RStudio project. Once the project is created, if you go up here and click where it says Untitled Project, we can give it a better name than that. We call it Statistical Models in R. And kind of we're good to go now. Now in the description underneath this video, there is a link to a zip file. And you need to download this link. And we're going to use the resources in this zip file to set up our project. So in order to do that, we are going to go to upload, the upload button here. We are going to find the zip folder. So if you use the browse button, I'm going to assume it's in, you've saved it in your downloads. Let's go to our downloads. And there, the file you want is base project cloud zip. So select that and click on open. And then just click on OK. And what that's going to do is upload what's in that folder. So it's uploaded it in its own directory. And what we've uploaded is essentially a folder where we can put data files and a folder where we can put Quarto documents. If you don't know what a Quarto document is, I've got a whole other playlist that walks you through using Quarto, so have a look at that. But we're going to move these folders into the main body of this project. So if we select both of them and click on More and Move, and up here we want to go to Project. So we're going to move them into the main project folder just so they're not buried within this base project cloud folder. And then that base project cloud is now empty, so we're going to select that and click on delete. So what we have now is in our main project is a data folder which has a CSV file in it that we'll use at some point, and we've got a Quarto folder which is where we're going to put any documents that we use. And with each video tutorial there will be a Quarto document for you to put into this folder. Now, we have one in here already called Setting Up. So let's open that. I'm just going to minimize this window. And basically this has some code that will install some stuff in your project that we're going to use. So let's have a look at the visual editor. But if you're not familiar with using Quarto, the visual editor is probably going to be more appealing to you. So you can see the section here that says install packages. Now basically you don't really need to worry about what this stuff does. All I'm going to say is that these two lines of code will install a ton of packages that we use throughout the tutorials. So if you just put your cursor in here and click on this green arrow, it will execute that code and it will install a bunch of stuff into your project. This will take quite some time, so just stick with it and go and make a cup of tea or something, or coffee. Once it's done its thing, you'll have a load of quite horrific looking stuff like this appearing in your document. Don't worry about it, it's all fine. What this means is essentially we've installed all the stuff into your project that you will need for the other videos that we're going to use. And that's kind of it really. Whenever you use one of the videos, there will be a Quarto file that you can download with all the code in. And so what you would do each time you look at a video is to go to the Quarto folder, click upload, and we will browse to the Quarto file for the particular tutorial. So here's a Quarto file here, and you just select that and then click on OK. That will appear in your Quarto folder, and if you open that, you'll see that each of these files that I'm going to give you will have the code in that accompanies the video. There'll also be a data file, typically, so we can upload that here by clicking on data, and then again going to upload, using browse to find the data file that we've downloaded. So here's an example here. Select it, click on OK, and the data file will appear in a data folder. So as you work through tutorials, just always put the data in the data folder, always put the Quarto document in the Quarto folder, and you will be ready to roll.